We love the Ferris units. Obviously, that's our bread and butter. We're down here slinging them left and right. High volume dealer, competitively priced. We got great service on the backside. We got great customer service. Like I said, whenever you come in, you're gonna get intercepted by either Kendall or I, and I promise you'll like us off the jump. Hey, what's up guys? Colton, All In Lawn Equipment. We're in Newton, North Carolina. Ferris dealer, Walker dealer, Snapper dealer, Shendawa dealer. 828-469-5020. Address is 1507 Northwest Boulevard, Newton, North Carolina. Let me give you a quick rundown of the showroom and everything we got going on in here. Come on. This is our showroom. For the most part, we have the Walkers in the main showroom in here, and then we have our full Shendawa lineup, and then any sort of parts and arborist stuff that you need. Also, we have our tune-up kits and such right here, and then any sort of service stuff that you need over here. If you come in, and you'll, for the most part, be greeted by either Kendall, who is videotaping. Say hey, Kendall.
Hey.
So Kendall will be behind the counter for the most part and doing everything she needs to get done right here, and she holds down the parts for us. And then we got Chris back there, who is a super dialed in tech, so he does a great job for us. But for the most part, you'll get intercepted by Kendall or I. And then this is back here where the shop is at. We keep our standers in here for our commercial clients, and then we got some demo units and whatnot right here for some other guys. Full-fledged service center. We work on Ferris, obviously, Walker, Shendawa, Snapper. Any brand equipment that you have, for the most part, we're gonna work on it. We don't turn anything down as of now. We are certified Ferris Walker dealer, obviously. Kawasaki, Kohler engines, Hydra gears, all the things. And right here, we're gonna show you our showroom. This is where we keep all of our equipment. We keep everything inside. It comes inside every night. Every morning we pull it outside to the front of the road up there. But this is our showroom. We got our resis on the right side down here going all the way down the right. And then we start our commercial lineup in the back, 800s, 2200s, and your Mac Daddies 3300s. And then we got some overstock on the left. Plenty of Ferris units in stock for you. We love the Ferris units. Obviously, that's our bread and butter. We're down here slinging them left and right. High volume dealer, competitively priced. We got great service on the backside. We got great customer service. Like I said, whenever you come in, you're gonna get intercepted by either Kendall or I, and I promise you'll like us off the jump. But this is everything that we have to offer. We keep a plethora of units in stock, especially your commercial grade stuff. For our homeowners around here with large property owners, 800s, 2200s are our heavy hitters, 3300s. And then obviously we got our Z3s, Z2s, and Z1s for our commercial guys. A lot of guys love these units, and the residential lineup also. But like I said, our heavy hitters are our 8s and 2200s, perfect for that homeowner. We are located in Newton, North Carolina, right off Highway 321, a mile from the courthouse. Catawba Valley Plumbing Supplies right across the street. We got Robinson Builders right across the street. We are in a very prominent area, high traffic right here. So, like I said, we're All In Lawn Equipment in Newton, North Carolina. My name's Colton Medlin, and we are here to serve you and your Ferris needs however we can and wherever you are. We got you covered, all in, because half in don't cut it.